guys, we got some hot wheels, 3 hot wheels. We got the 2020 Mustang Shelby GT 500 and the Ford Mustang GT, the one in 2025, and another Cupra E-Racer 2025. So we're gonna open these. We're gonna open these 3 today. So let's open the first one. It's the Cupra E-Racer. It's EV, 4 out of 10. And then we just open it. This is the car. Secondly is the Ford Mustang GT. Lastly, the 2020 Ford Mustang GT 500. If you like this, just pull it, push it, then go. So, I hope you had a great day today with me, Bivon. So, see you next time. Bye.
Oh, these brothers my guys. Know that we fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want going? Why you want to act like that?